बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया। मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ। मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरियाँ। मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ। मैं जानू ना क्यों जरा सा मौसम सरफिरा है या मेरा मूड मस्खरा है।
मैंने बोतल में से कुछ बनाया है।
बता क्या बनाया? पेन होल्डर ऐसा बोलो।
ये पेन होल्डर।
बता।
मूड मस्खरा है जो जायका मनमानियों का है वो कैसा रस भरा है।
These children know they don't understand what is trash and what is this, so it gives them the idea, okay, this is trash and how can it be made into something more effective.
Actually, every Indian household it functions the same way. We easily don't throw out anything. No, we try to make the best use of it.
Nowadays, like everybody are doing that plant pots. That is really very innovative.
Have many boxes, so it's like stress for us, but they like to keep playing with that. So once we got this message, like test to kids have been involved much, and you can see that she will not be involved much in everything, but now she started coloring and she helped throughout all the activities as well. It's a good initiative, and we also got some idea now out of waste. We can do many things like this.
So many creativity can be made out of it. Like obviously, like you have to Google, you have to YouTube and find out. Like it is an activity for us, but the thing is, the kids are so engaged. They know, like my kids were doing, and they were like, "Mama, make rabbit." This is really overwhelming, and like the best thing what I feel is like these are our day-to-day things, and like what I feel is like we buy a lot of toys for our kids, plastic toys that go into waste. So we can make this, like I know it's time consuming, but yeah, we can engage our kids making those, and they can play with it, and these are like recyclable. We can throw it, right, rather than buying plastic toys or plushies and all. These are very small things, and this will actually help them with their creativity also. So these I feel is
how they should not be wasting everything. They can build something from the trash itself, and they can use it for their day-to-day lives also. So that is a good thing. One thing that I'm preparing at home is like a bookshelf that I'm preparing for her from the cardboard boxes and everything, which I think for the future also it's good for her to understand, like this was prepared from the cardboard boxes. So good for her to learn a childhood where we are not bought everything. We were trying to utilize every small bit or bad things. So the same thing will be following forward and giving her also that same idea that you don't need to buy everything. You can reuse the things where as possible.
It's not only about the studies but overall growth. I have to check on him, like how he is contributing to environment and everything, and how he has to learn from school and all. So yeah, that's what it's very helpful. So I look forward more kind of activities from school where I can also engage with my kids. So it was very helpful for me.
This is something that I did not expect. So maybe these are few things that we can learn out of the kids' creativity. Maybe I can say that this will not only involve us into getting the bond together with the children, but it also help them and also us to bring in some sort of awareness to the society and for the environment. Maybe these all will help them to upbring in a way that they have never experienced so far, and probably it's never experienced by us also so far.
ये बनाने में बच्चे भी एंगेज होते हैं और उनको क्रिएटिविटी के बारे में पता चलता है कि उनके भी मन में ऐसा चलता है कि कुछ जैसे पुरानी चीज जो फेंकने वाली है तो कूड़े में से उठा के भी वो बनाएंगे, उनका क्रिएटिव माइंड चलेगा उसमें। जो प्लास्टिक वेस्ट है उसको फेंक के ना इसका यूज किया जाए बस।
previously I was workaholic and I was doing some works, but now I am thinking creatively. Main thing is creativity because
Super actually initiative.
मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना